Imagine an AI model with hundreds of billions of parameters. Must every one of them wake up whenever the model processes a single token? In a dense layer, every input passes through the same full set of parameters. More capacity therefore brings more computation at every step. A sparse mixture of experts changes that bargain. It stores many possible subnetworks but opens only a few of them for each token. The name can be misleading. These experts are not people, agents, or separate chatbots debating an answer. They are learned neural subnetworks. Use this mental model, a vast workshop with many learned doors. Every token opens only a few, then carries the combined result onward. Start with a sentence. The model converts its pieces into token states, numerical representations that change as the surrounding context is processed. That context matters. The state for bank near river is different from the state for bank near mortgage, even when the printed token matches. When a token state reaches a mixture of experts layer, a small learned router scores how strongly that state should use each available expert. Think of those scores as pressure against many gates. The strongest scores win, while the other gates remain closed for this token. The number selected is called top K. Some systems choose one expert, others choose two or more. The rule depends on the architecture. The token state is dispatched along owned routes to the selected experts. Router scores also determine how much each selected path contributes. Each expert is commonly a feed-forward block, similar to the dense block in a standard transformer, but with its own learned parameters. The selected experts transform the same incoming state in different learned ways. Experts that were not selected perform no expert computation for that token. Their outputs return to a combining point. A weighted sum forms one result, which rejoins the shared transformer stream. The next token may open different doors, and the same token can select a different pair when it reaches another mixture of experts layer. Mixture of experts does not replace the entire transformer. Attention and other shared components still run. Sparse expert layers replace selected feed-forward blocks. Now, the key distinction becomes visible. Total parameters describe everything stored in the model. Active parameters describe the subset used for one token. Mixtral uses 8 feed-forward experts in each expert block. Its router sends every token to 2 of them. DeepSeek v3 reports a massive gap between total parameters and the much smaller fraction activated for each token. This is conditional computation. Expand the number of possible parameters much faster than the amount of expert arithmetic performed for one token. The doors are not assigned by hand. During training, gradients adjust both the expert parameters and the router that sends token states toward them. Experts can develop different behavior, but do not assume each one becomes a clean human subject like mathematics, code, or history. Routing creates a new danger. If too many tokens choose the same expert, that chamber becomes congested while other capacity sits unused. Training systems therefore encourage better load balance. The exact method varies, and balancing efficiency can compete with the router's preferred choices. Sparse activation also does not make the unused weights vanish. All expert parameters still require memory, even when only a subset performs arithmetic. Large expert banks are distributed across many processors. Tokens may need to travel to the machines that hold their selected experts. That means permutation, dispatch, cross-device communication, expert processing, return traffic, and restoration of the original token order. The arithmetic can be sparse while the system's bill remains real. Memory, communication, routing stability, and hardware layout all shape practical speed. So, mixture of experts is not a multi-agent team and not a vote among complete models. It is conditional computation inside one trained network. A token state reaches the router, opens a few learned subnetworks, receives their weighted transformations, and returns to the shared model. Across many layers and many tokens, different sparse paths move through an enormous stored workshop while only a thin ribbon remains active. That is how mixture of experts works. Many parameters available, few active for each token, and one learned router deciding which doors open.